Good evening, listeners. For those of you just joining us, I would like to bid you welcome to this space just outside our little campus. Don't let appearances fool you. Knox is a pretty busy place.
I only have half an hour to write these letters, and I'm still very slow at words.
When his parents had named him, they'd simply written in Cal Gardner on his birth certificate. And when it came down to it, that name didn't really matter.
Everywhere I see the things she has left me with, I am carried by my adrenal glands. The shining orange petals, petite, childish, buttercup.
When you get home, I'll tell you everything I know. It won't take very long.
Neither of the girls could see very far in the darkness, but they could see the full extent of the sky now, and God, it was beautiful.
That was quite a mighty night.
You are safe now. Welcome.